typically my day begins with a 60-second walk to work, if that. I'm very lucky to live on site, and when I get here I need to get settled down in front of Mission Control here, and then give Natalia some information on what she needs to be doing today, because Natalia, my wife, she works for Hampshire Sheen and also the Woodturning Shop. It helps, you know, because I'm quite a busy guy. It helps me to compartmentalise in my head what I need to do by wearing different hats. You know, the metaphorically wear different hats. So if I'm thinking about Hampshire Sheen, you know, I'll you know have my mental Hampshire Sheen hat on, and if I'm thinking Woodturning Shop, then I'll have my Woodturning Shop hat on. And I've also brought my normal M Saban-Smith Woodturning hat here, because, and it's not branded. It's not branded because, you know, you may not know, I'm not overly keen on, you know, lots of branding and stuff like that emblazoned everywhere. So yeah. Oh yeah. So this is the mission control, as it were, for the Woodturning Shop. There's a computer here, obviously, that's connected to the internet, so we look after all of the internet orders and stuff like that. And there's also an EPOS system on there as well, which allows us to serve customers in person. And we're planning on opening again on the 14th of April, which will be great. So we're very much looking forward to that.
I will redo it, I don't like it.
Order that I might be able to pack for you.
Yeah, you've got pasta.
So obviously the shop doesn't normally look like this. It's just when we've been closed, we've kind of used every little bit of available space for storage. Right, I need. I've got 3 new products for Hampshire Sheen, and they're available. They're available now from the Woodturning Shop. And I thought, you know, with Hampshire Sheen, you know, spending the last 5 years making sure that Woodturner's work, you know, not only looks and feels good, I thought, wouldn't it be nice to have a range of products where I can help Woodturners look and feel good too. So there's a new range of 3 skincare products here, which I've been using for a few months now, and I really like them. There's a body wash. I'm not going to show you how to use it, but it's really fantastic. There's a Woodturner's beard oil as well, but I don't have a beard, so I couldn't try this one, but I gave it to a few people to try out, and they really like it as well, which is good. And finally, there is a moisturiser, which I've been using for months as well. It smells fantastic. It applies really easily. I put it on my hands and my arms, because I generally turn and work with my sleeves rolled up and stuff, and of course there's plenty of dust on your face, so you can rub it all in. Be careful around your eyes. Great after a shower, and it just sinks nice and deeply, and it leaves you feeling soft and silky and smelling fantastic. One of the things with running your own business is making sure that your product photography is as good as it possibly can be. So we've invested in a light box like this one, in order to, you know, help take decent quality pictures. So I need to take the pictures of the new skincare range this morning, and I like a square picture like that. Press the button, swap the products over so they're in exactly the same position, just like that. And then after the pictures are edited and stuff, they go on to various websites and distributed around on social media and stuff, so people know about the products, because that's quite important, obviously. And, you know, with links and stuff, they know where they can go to buy the products or read about them. And the skincare range is available exclusively at the moment from the Woodturning Shop. So yeah, that's my morning today. It's not a typical morning by any stretch of the imagination. Thank you for watching, and yeah, check out the skincare products on the woodturningshop.com.